Hi guys. Okay, so today together we are going to be doing tasks on Pandas Kit, and what we are going to be doing is actually that we are going to be adding subtitles to maybe one or two episodes because I have some tasks that are scheduled already on my timeline on the platform. All right. So that said, I think it's important for me to just show you what we are getting into already. So this is my Pandas Kit account, right? So let me come back here. So now I have this one is already approved, as you can see. So I have this one and this one. Okay. So if I want to work on either of these two, you'll see that the status is showing to translate. So if I want to work on either of these two, sorry, I'll click on download source, right? So when I click on download source, then I'll begin to download each one of these videos, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 blah 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 to whatever episode. All right, so now this one is showing uploaded because someone has already uploaded something in another language, but not in English. I'm the one that claimed the English, right? But somebody has uploaded another language, maybe Spanish, could be French, could be Italian, could be whatever, could be Greek. So somebody has already uploaded um, some subtitles also on this title, that is the movie title itself. So it's showing uploaded. So I hope I hope soon they'll be able to fix this and not show uploaded for me because I've not uploaded the English I claim. All right, so that's that for that. So let me come back to the one that is easier to understand. So if I come to this one, I did a video before. That was when I uploaded this episode one, but the video didn't come out well, so I needed to redo it again. So that is what I'm doing now. So we are going to assume that we want to start with episode two. Mm. So starting with episode two, right? All I need to do is just click on this download. Let me click on download. So once I click on download, mm, episode two, this is episode two here. It's telling me that the download already exists. So let me just keep it. So this is episode two. So let me wait for it to finish downloading. So episode two is 3 MB of 21 megabyte that has downloaded. My internet is quite slow. So while we wait, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. How did they say it now? Subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification. And also, I'll also be sharing the link to my Telegram community where you'll be able to, you know, come under my community so that we can discuss because I'm trying to build a community where we are able to help each other. All right. So my internet is very slow actually, but we just need to manage with that. All right. So once the movie is done, or while we wait for the movie to be done, since we have downloaded the episode that we want, it is necessary for us to have installed and then we go ahead to open CapCut. Now, CapCut can work on your phone if you have a very strong phone, maybe all these high-end Android phones. Well, if you trust your phone, CapCut can work. Then on your PC, but me, I'm comfortable with using PC, of course, because obviously on the computer it is more convenient. So episode two has downloaded now, which is 21 megabytes. So I have opened CapCut. This is CapCut, right? So you can either click on create a new project or if you have a project that is ongoing. But for the sake of this tutorial, let me assume there is no project going on. So let me create a new project on CapCut. Remember I said I'm going to share CapCut login inside of my Telegram group. So that is when I have a reasonable number of people inside of the group. I will share the pro login. As you can see is pro. Can you see it is pro? So all you need to do now is that episode two has downloaded. I don't know how your system works. Just find a way to get to episode two where you download it. Then drag it and drop, or you can select and locate your episode two. So this is episode two here. It is already inside of our import. So click on this plus button to add it to your workspace. So as I clicked on that plus button now, CapCut will now work on the video. Now the video is ready to be edited. So if I click on play, you would see that the video has started playing, right? So remember, CapCut allows us to you see that this video now, as you can see, comes in whatever language. I don't even know what language this is, but I'm not sure is Chinese, right? But Chinese is above the language below. I don't know. So what you need to do from here is that it's simple. All you have to do is just click on caption. Remember, this only works if you have a pro version. And to get the login, you have to come to my Telegram community. Maybe you can get it from somewhere else. It's okay. And also, I will ask to subscribe and do all those stuff. All right. So now we have Chinese here as the spoken language, which is of course Chinese spoken language in the movie. Then bilingual capture, which is a pro feature. You select these bilingual captions. Then you need to now pick English here. Identify filter words or filler words. You can do all those ones, but I don't do all that. I don't even bother myself with any of those. So delete current caption. This is not a feature that I use because I'm not actually using the video. I'm only using the SRT file. SRT files are subtitle files. Okay, so because I'm not uploading the video, it will be a waste of time if I have to now say I want to delete current caption. I mean, I'm only uploading subtitle, so why do I need to do that? So all you need to do going on from here is just click on generate. Then it will use its inbuilt AI to check through the video. When it checks through the video, it then get the language, translate it, and automatically insert it into the video, just like the way you need it. So now we are waiting for this video to be translated. All right, so I think is about finishing on translation. All right, yeah. So translation is done. So if you play now, you see we have English here. Can you see? But we are not exporting this video like this because, of course, it doesn't even look nice. So what we have to do is that we will now need to place the subtitle where it will not interfere with other subtitles. You see? So all you have to do is just drag and drop where it will not have to disturb other subtitles. Then we can go ahead. So now from here, it is very simple. All you have to do is just click on export. Okay. When you click on export, ordinarily it's because I use CapCut this one. Ordinarily it should be on 1080p. So, or by default it will be on 1080p. Just look out for this. So because I don't need the video, I only need the subtitle. It's showing me the file size, or the size will be about 8 megabits. Now, if it is 8 megabits, it is too much for me because I don't need the video, I need the subtitle. So I need to choose the lowest resolution, which is 480p. Now you can see the difference is 28 MB, right? So just click on export. Once you click on export, wait for it to be done. I think it's even done anyways. I think it's even done. This is episode 2. You can see my English subtitle under it. Somehow it's hidden, but it's there. So if all I have to do now is just click on open folder. So this is what we need. We need our SRT file. You see our SRT file is just 3.38 kilobytes. So we are saving on data. We are saving on data. We are not only saving on data, we are saving on time. So now since we have our subtitle, come back to the website. Remember I have uploaded on episode 1. Now instead of clicking this one that face down, click the one that face up. That means you want to upload. So once you click on the one that face up, select where your subtitle file is, right? So then you locate where your subtitle file is. Hmm. So when you look, this is my subtitle file. Then I'll just click on open, then confirm upload. So the moment I click on confirm upload, right, it will change this one to included. So that is what you need to do for each and every of these videos here. Each and every of these videos. So by the time you are done for each and every of these videos, that means you have covered the whole of the English, right? With your subtitle. Then you come back here, you would see this one will change from to translate to submit. Then you click on it. When you click on it, or submit for publication, yes, exactly this. When you click on this, it will now take you to where you will need to just, what do they call it now? Click on some terms and conditions, then submit the video. So when you submit the video, it will be approved. When it's approved, it starts to generate revenue for you, just like the way you see here. So I've been busy with other things. That is why I have just about $3 in the account. Assuming I've been doing these videos and everything, and besides, I have another account which is a major, but this one is just for tutorial purposes. All right, so that's that for that, and that is exactly how it works. So again, these logins are available. I will advise you join the Telegram community so that we can talk on these and even some other programs. So thank you and God bless you.